Absolutely. I believe Santa Claus is coming in Public Square too as
Nice.
well. So go ahead and look that up on when Santa is coming to town. But you know, it is just gorgeous this time of year with all the Christmas lights. Fortunately, it's bringing bright note to the area when we're talking a lot of cloud cover over the next several days. So our temperatures right now generally in the low 30s. We're at the freezing point in Aurora, Barberton, Lodi, Medina, checking in at 34. Good morning to you. We're at 33 in Hudson. We've got upper 30s though as you head towards the north near the lake. Sandusky 38, 37 in Lorain, a light easterly wind. Unfortunately, the clouds are back, and really they're back to stay. We've got temperatures headed into the low 40s this afternoon. So there's that batch of that wintry mix that pushed through overnight. Started at 11 o'clock with the cold front as expected. Now as it moved out towards the east, it is ended, and now we're just tracking cloud cover across our area. So when we look ahead here, we've got another round of rain tonight. Right now we are looking dry, and of course that rain could mix in with snow at times, and the batch is right here. The bulk of it will stay to the south of us, but it will throw some showers at us as we head into your night hours and part of your early morning hours on Sunday. So today clouds rule the sky. I can't rule out a stray shower or a sprinkle. Temperatures in the lower 40s. We're staying in the low 40s on Sunday. These showers will be out by 9 a.m. and then again we're back to cloudy. More of the same. Monday, more cloudy conditions. Can't rule out a few flurries passing through. Temperatures a touch cooler. We're headed into the upper 30s, but I'm tracking a more potent system that looks like it's going to lock in a different kind of trend for our area coming up at the end of December.
Now we know what to get Rosie, right?
And your boys would love stuff like that.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
they're big into science and math for sure.
Very cool.
Like a lot of great toys there. Unfortunately, a lot of price tags for
Yes,
Oh, well, yeah,
that's
that
what I
part.
mean.
Right,
Woo!
That part, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta
Santa's
think about
got
that
it,
too.
you know?
Absolutely, absolutely.
That's why those elves get a little overtime. The the elves union number 42, they're always working.
I mean, over the years, they've had to really make some gadgets that are just continuing to grow and grow and
Yes.
grow. I mean, a lot of hardcore stuff here for Santa and the elves. All right, here's a look at your upcoming events. We've got a mainly dry weekend in store for us, but unfortunately, there is the chance of a few showers around Sunday morning before 9 a.m. So this is before all of these events. Snow trails, you just saw Gabe Spiegel went out. I know we don't have a mountain quite like this. I'm looking for some of our area, our local pictures here. It's again the first time of the season we're seeing snow. Not snow, excuse me, snow on the ground. What am I trying to say? All right, this is the first time of the year. Last year it was like January when all of these I can't talk today. I am having a hard time. Ski resorts across Northeast Ohio have opened up. It took like till January, so it's so nice to see that snow trails have opened up in Mansfield. You're looking at a cloudy sky, temperatures in the low 40s this afternoon. It opens up at 9 a.m. and goes until 9 p.m. We've got Santa in the square, Public Square. He's coming at 2 o'clock, so kids get those lists ready. Cloudy conditions, temperatures in the low 40s. We're looking dry. And Winterfest this afternoon and evening in Mansfield, 3 to 6 p.m. We're looking at still cloudy conditions with temperatures in the low 40s. I mean, this forecast is not going to change much. We did have sunshine yesterday. It was so nice to see it. Today, could have a glimpse of it this morning, but for the most part, the clouds have taken over. I mean, look at down towards Canton. It looks rather cloudy. You go towards Burke Lakefront, and we're seeing some breaks in the overcast. The good news is the rain and or mix that moved in overnight, it is now out of here. We're looking at a dry day despite a couple of sprinkles possible. So our temperatures right around average. We've got the colder air well to the north and east of us. I mean, Burlington, Vermont is sitting at 14 right now. Next up for us, you see these showers down towards St. Louis. Well, the bulk of that, the heavier rain, that's going to stay to the south, but it will throw a few showers at us as we head into the night tonight. And again, it could be mixing in with snow at times. The majority of the week will be above average once again. In fact, we get this push of warmth towards the middle of the week. We're talking temperatures temperatures headed into the upper 40s, which is well above average. But it's behind the system that we've got this huge change coming. Remember, we've been talking about more of a mild start to December and a colder finish. Well, it is coming middle of December here. This is Friday. We've got the cold air in play at this point. It's going to stick around. The question is this chunk of Arctic air going to spill on in as we head into Christmas week? So we've got a good shot of seeing maybe a white Christmas this year with the colder air funneling in. So here's a look at that Wednesday system. We'll start off with rain showers. Then as we get into Thursday, it will mix in with snow at times, especially during the latter half of the day. Rain snow mix expected Thursday night, and then we'll see some snow showers around on Friday. So there's our chance of snow. This is the time where all of our ski areas, Boston Mills, Brandywine, Alpine Valley can make some snow and get some more snow on the ground as well as snow trails. Temperatures lower 40s to start off the week, but here it is. Here's that huge cool down. Temperatures headed back into the mid 30s as we head into Friday, Saturday. Overnight lows well below freezing. Back to you. Sun peek through. And again, it's going to be more of a dreary day as our temperature is only in the lower 40s, which is typical for this time of year. The rain, that mix, it is out of our area. We've got another batch, though, headed our way. It's mainly overnight, so that's part of the bright spot, is at least most of this is coming while we're sleeping or while we're indoors. All right, here's a look at temperatures right now. We're in the mid 30s for most of us. 36 is a common number from Lorain, Hopkins, Akron. 30, that's one of our colder spots. In Ashtabula, you're actually reporting a mainly clear sky at the moment. Here's what's next. You see the rain just to the south of St. Louis. Well, that system's going to throw some showers, wintry mix at us during the early morning hours tomorrow. So it's really not going to impact us as we head through the day or any of your plans, really. So the bulk of it arrives tonight. It should be out by around 9 a.m. And throughout the duration of the weekend, I can't rule out a stray sprinkle or a stray shower, but it'll be rather isolated, and you'll see it here on future casts. Lots of cloud cover, especially as we head into the afternoon. Again, we're seeing some breaks of sun this morning. As we head through the night tonight, we're starting off with some cloud cover, and then there's that batch, about a 40% coverage across our area, mostly in our eastern spots, and coming in after 3 a.m. Look at this, by 9 o'clock it is out. Still dealing with the clouds. Yep, we're not going to need our sunglasses this weekend whatsoever. And there's that chance of an isolated shower or sprinkle as we head through the afternoon. Now, Sunday night into early Monday, we could have a few flurries flying. It will not amount to anything. Don't worry about that. But the colder air kind of infiltrates our area for one day. We'll be in the upper 30s on Monday. And then we start to clear out a bit, partial clearing. Monday night, Tuesday will be our best chance of seeing some sunshine this week. All right, 42 degrees today, gray day on tap, 38 tonight with just a few showers around, again, mainly after 3 a.m. and out of here by 9 o'clock. Temperatures still in the low 40s tomorrow. Another cloudy day, winds out of the west at 5 to 10. There's our upper 30s on Monday, hanging on the cloud cover. Tuesday, finally partly sunny, temps in the lower 40s. Fortunately, clouds back on the increase. We'll have a few showers mixing in on Wednesday as our next strong system pulls through. That will impact us on Thursday. We'll likely have a washout that day, and in fact, as temperatures tumble, we'll likely get a wintry mix with it during the evening, especially overnight. But our temperatures mid to upper 30s here as we enter next weekend, and we do have several shots of snow Friday into early Saturday. Back to you.
What about like meals? You know, like, okay, it's time to wrap this up.
Right.
You just start like raking your plate, putting things. Do you want to package this?
You want to help me with dishes. That's always do it.
That's what you do. You're like, okay, yeah, are we putting this away? Are you keeping this? You know?
Or here's some styrofoam. Just take this turkey and ham. Just go, get out.
Another conversation will definitely start during the process, but you're getting it going.
And then the relatives take other things with them as they leave. It's like, well, you won't need this. And there's that bottle of wine that just happened to just going out the door, a bottle of Jim Beam leaving, and that was my relatives.
The holidays.
That's what the
give.
holidays
If your
are.
relative wants to take that bottle of wine. They, you know, might need it as they head into the holiday season.
There you go.
You never know.
Get out.
Never know.
Get out. Get out. Go out into the snow.
Oh, but it's so nice getting together with family.
Yes, it
but,
is.
you know.
For about an hour.
All right, well, if you're doing shopping for the family today, we've got some quiet conditions. Unfortunately, it's a cloudy one. At one point this morning, it was like, oh, we're going to see some sun, and then nope, clouded right back over, and unfortunately, clouds will win out. But we still have a lot going on across the area. It is the opening weekend of snow trails in Mansfield. They've got some snow on their slopes, and it opens at 9 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. We've got temperatures in the afternoon in the low 40s. It'll just be cloudy. Santa in the Square, Public Square. He says hello to the children at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Cloudy, low 40s there. And then we have Winterfest in Massillon. That starts at 3 o'clock this afternoon and runs until 6. Temperatures in the low 40s. See, I'm going to sound like a broken record for the next couple of days here. We've got more of the same kind of conditions. If you are traveling down to the Browns game in Cincinnati, temperatures will be in the upper 40s tomorrow. A light wind. We're looking dry but cloudy. Here in Cleveland, we'll have a few early showers before 9 a.m. That out, we're back to cloudy, and I can't rule out a stray shower as we go through the day. Here's the culprit. It's this system just to the south of St. Louis. That's going to continue to work its way to the east-northeast. As it does, it's going to throw some rain at us during the early morning hours tomorrow. And this is going to be a quick shot. We've got lots of clouds around today. This is just after midnight. We're still looking dry at this point. 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, you start to see the scattered rain showers. Could possibly mix in with snow at times. Not likely, though. Out by 9 o'clock in the morning, and then there's your isolated shower in the afternoon throughout the day. Could have even a break of sun or two, but ultimately clouds winning out. Our next big system, that's going to be our huge talker here as we head towards the end of the week ahead. Thursday into Friday, we'll have rain, we'll have wind, and it'll ultimately change over to a wintry mix come Thursday night into Friday. Much colder temperatures back in the 8-day forecast to follow that. So we've got a big pattern shift, which means we have a chance of accumulating snow. Here's the system itself. This is Thursday morning. Wintry mix possible, changing over to rain as we head into the afternoon. Then another chance of a wintry mix in the evening. But look at this, all these colors. This is definitely more winter. Cold air moves in, and we'll let you know just how much snow we'll get coming up at the end of next week. Again, it's still soon to tell, but there is the chance for some accumulating snow here, and not a chance of warmer air. We've got the colder air locked in place the week after that. We're going to see if this big chunk of Arctic air pulls in. If that happens, we have a better shot of possibly seeing a white Christmas this year. So looking ahead, we've got temperatures low 40s through the weekend, upper 30s on Monday. That's one of our chilly days of the week. Here's the day where we have a best shot of seeing some sunshine on Tuesday. There's that system that I was just highlighting Thursday into Friday, and look at temperatures by next Saturday.
Dog needed a vacation.
Yeah, had places to go.
Hanging out in the dog pound, watching Browns games. You
There
never
you
know.
go. Yeah.
All kind of cool stuff like that.
Yeah, wild imaginations for the kids with
Yes.
their little stuffies. We always say they're taking a